Alam mo ba, Baus, pag nandito ka na sa market, talagang you've made it.
Yes, meron siyang retail, restaurants, rambutan.
And it's giving cultural significance.
Cultural significance! So, andito tayo sa fashion market, which is the Market Bazaar.
Ay, true. At merong ibig sabihin niyang bazaar na yan, ah.
Ano yun?
It means beautiful allocation.
And zari-zaring fashion.
Alam mo, ang gaganda ng mga clothes nila. Marami ding life lessons na pwede kasi tinuturuan kang maging religious but at the same time,
Correct.
tumaas yung self-esteem and therefore, Godfidence. Alam mo ba, Baus, na dito sa Topiary area matatagpuan ang lion, elephant, and giraffe.
Ito ang nag-inspire sa more popular trios na Destiny's Child, Tito Vic and Joey.
At saka TLC,
Yes, at ano ang ibig sabihin ng TLC?
the legendary.
Charo Santos. Dito unang na-discover ang process of photosynthesis.
We are here in the flowers and fruits area.
Yes, so whether naghahanap ka ng bulaklak para sa lamay ng kaaway mo,
Or whether you're going to buy fruits and make fruit salad.
sis, it's salad with a Z, not salad.
At tama, it's fruit salad.
At syempre, hindi magpapahuli ang pasabog na stage ng Market Mall shows.
Correct ka dyan, dahil pag nakapag-mall show ka na dito, talagang you've made it.
Alam mo ba sis, na sa activity center na to unang ginanap ang Pride Celebration ng Ayala Mall.
Ay, correct. At dito rin ginanap ang unang fan meet ng Cat's Eye.
Pasabog, meron ding mga big Korean stars like si Eric Nam, Jung Hae-in, Park Min Young.
Ay, grabe. Pero wag natin kalimutan ng Nations Girl Group ang BINI, kung saan more than 10,000 naman ang umate.
Grabe. Kaya sa mga artista dyan na hindi pa rin nakakapag-mall show sa Market, Beyonce,
Taylor Swift.
sorry girls, but
You haven't made it yet.
Charing lang, wag niyo po kaming awayin.
But really, Market, you've made us laugh. You've made the shop. And you've made it to 21 years. Happy anniversary, Market!